Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC. This puts you where you can inspect processes fast. Once done, click More Details to reveal all columns, then sort by CPU or disk to show top consumers. Make sure to expand background processes and note any unfamiliar names, especially those using sustained high CPU or disk. You want the abnormal, not the noisy momentary spike. So watch for processes that stay busy for more than a few minutes. Now you move from observation to verification. Click a suspicious process and view details or properties to read the command line and publisher information. Once done, right-click and choose Open File Location so you can confirm the file lives under Program Files or System32 versus a temp folder. Mismatched locations are red flags. Make sure to compute a file hash or upload the file to VirusTotal for reputation data. This gives you objective evidence before you take action like ending tasks or quarantining files. Finally, if a process is confirmed malicious, end task and quarantine or delete the file. Do this after collecting hashes and evidence. Once done, run a full antivirus and consider an offline rescue disk if the threat persists, because some malware resists live removal. Make sure to reboot and then recheck Task Manager. If the process returns, boot into safe mode and repeat the steps while you back up critical files. If problems continue, seek professional removal to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.